Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the book exercise of the chapter The Microbe. Okay, in the previous video, I have explained the poem, and today I am going to explain the book exercise of this chapter. So let's start the video and know more things. Before the starting, I will tell you some of the important words meaning. You have to see here on the screen. Sanguine means optimistic, and tufted tail, it means tail that look like a bunch of grass or hair tied together at once. Okay, and another some of the words that is very important for you, so you have to listen carefully. Here is the word curious. You have to see here curious. 1 minute. Curious, CURU, and its meaning will be curious means eager. EGER. Okay, eager. Curious means eager, so you have to write down it. Next is word is lots. You have to see here lots. Lots means many. Here the pen is not working well, so you have to write many. That's clear. Next is you can see here tender. Okay, you have to see in the word tender. Tender means soft. SOFT, soft. That's clear. So it is difficult word, so you have to write down it. Now look the big book exercise. Here the exercise number A. Answer these questions. uh, all these have never yet been seen, but scientists who ought to know assure us that they must be. So you have to see here uh, question is given in option A and B, so I have to do it in the next page. So you have to look here. Question is what has never. Question is uh, what has never been seen. Okay, so answer will be microbes have never been seen. Okay, now next exercise, next question is question number B. So you have to see here what do scientists assure us. Okay, what do scientists assure us. Okay, so you can see here answer will be scientists assure us that a microbe has 100 rows of teeth and a jointed tongue beneath them, that it has 7 tufted tails with many pretty pink and purple spots, with a pattern of 40 separate bands on each of them, that each eyebrow are light green. Okay, so answer you have to write down it. It is the answer of the option number B. Now look the second passage. The second passage is, oh, let us never doubt what nobody is sure about. Okay, and question is, what is nobody sure of? That microbes exist, or that they look as described in the poem. So you have to write down answer of the question. So answer is here. Nobody is sure that microbe looks as described in the poem. Okay, and next question is, what should we never doubt. What should we never doubt? And the answer will be what nobody is sure of. Okay, what nobody is sure of, or that microbe look as described in the poem. That's clear. Now the question number 3, you have to see on the mobile screen the question number 3. The question number 3 is, why should we believe the scientist even though we cannot see the microbe? Okay, it is the question, and question number 3. So write the answer of the question number 3. Because scientists are supposed to be more knowledgeable than most people and know about such a thing. Okay, now look the question number 4. Does the poet believe the scientist? Does he think that microbe looks as so? Quote lines from the poem that supports your view. Okay, so it is the uh, self-comprehensive question. So I think you have to write the answer of this question. Now look the question number 5. Question is, uh, do you think the poet has described any of these micro? Why or why not? So you have to see here answer. Answer is no. Okay. Do you think the poet has described any of these microbes? So you have to write down no, because these microbes do not have 100 rows of teeth and a jointed tongue beneath them. 7 tuft tail with many pretty pink and purple spots, with a pattern of 40 separate bands on catch of them are light green eyebrow. Okay, so I think you have to write down it. So next is, look at the books. Next question is, uh, identify identify the rhyming words in the poem. So I think you have to get it from the poem. So come on the page of the poem. In the poem you have to see some of the rhyming words just like that. I i do it do. So first rhyming word is, you have to see here, small. And small is a word and its rhyming word will be all. Okay, and next is hope, and its rhyming word will be microscope. Next is beneath, and its rhyming word will be teeth. Okay, next is lot, and its rhyming word will be spot. Next is stands, and the rhyming word will be bands. Okay, now look next and last, 1 minute. Okay, next is green, and its rhyming will be seen. Okay, no, so, doubt, about. So you have to see in here many kind of the rhyming word used in the poem, and I hope it helps you to write the rhyming word. Okay, so look the next question. Next question is, read the poem out in pairs. One of you read out the first four and last four lines, and while the other read out 8 lines in the middle. Okay, so it is the pattern of the recitation of poem. So I think you understand it very well. Now look the next exercise. Next exercise is exercise number A. okay, and it is the listening part. And what are you doing in this part? So listen carefully. It is the listen to passage about scientific temper and fill in the blank. Okay, it means I have to recite or I have to read the paragraph. Okay, and you have to feel it with the listening carefully. Okay, so I start the reading and you listen it and feel it. So scientist deals, it is the first line of the paragraph, so listen carefully. The scientist deals with the demon of positive knowledge. So you have to write down positive. Okay, spelling of positive, positive, positive knowledge. Scientific scientific temper. Okay, scientific temper. So in the second blanks you have to write down temper, temper. Okay, scientific temper is search for truth. Okay, and the spelling of truth, truth. It is the spelling of truth, so fill it. And new knowledge, a refusal to accept anything without trial, without or testing. Okay, so in the next blanks you have to write down the word trial, trial, or testing. So you have to only feel one word, or trial or testing. Or an ability to change previous conclusion in the face of new evidence. Okay, so next, and an and an emphasis, spelling of emphasis, emphasis. Okay, in the next blanks you have to fill emphasis, emphasis. On observe fact, this is necessary, spelling of necessary, necessary, necessary for solving any problem in life. Okay, solving any problem in life, the scientific approach should be a way of life and a process of thinking. And spelling of thinking, thinking. Okay, thinking. Okay, so I think you have to feel this exercise. Now look the next. I think here is the work in group and debate one of these topics. So it is the technology, about the technology, and I think you have to read the technology in the previous chapter, getting future ready. And here is the your opinion will be necessary, just like that. The what how can the technology help us, or how the technology harm us? So you have to write down it is a boom or bane. Okay, so I think you have to do it. Now next, how is the science misused? Have you missed a technology? And you also mention the exercise number C in your notes when you write about the technology. And here is something is different. Now come on, exercise number I. Which of these caption would you choose for these images? You may write your own caption. So you can see here is the given two option: can live without food but not without my phone, or watch what you eat. Okay, so it is the optional objective questions, so it is the depend on your answer and your choice. So uh, choose the correct choice and write down in the blanks. Okay, uh, So I hope you all understand about the book exercise of this chapter, and next time we meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video. Have a nice day.